You need to hear this if you're a sushi enthusiast. Let's uncover the best sushi rice varieties that'll transform your nigiri and maki rolls at your next sushi party. First up, we have Koshihikari Rice from Niigata Prefecture, Japan. This premium short-grain rice is famous for its sweet, rich flavor and glossy appearance. Perfectly firm and sticky, it's a sushi superstar. Next is Tamanishiki Rice, a super premium blend of Koshihikari and Yumegokochi. Grown in California using Japanese techniques, its rich, delicate flavor and sticky texture make it a top pick for sushi aficionados. Then we have Tamaki Gold Rice, another Californian gem. Known for its sweet, mild flavor and consistent quality, this rice offers a firm yet sticky texture that sushi chefs adore. Akitakomachi Rice from Akita Prefecture, Japan is next. This high-quality short-grain rice boasts a mildly sweet, rich flavor with a beautiful, glossy appearance and firm texture. Ideal for those perfect sushi bites. Last but not least, Hitomebore Rice from Miyagi Prefecture, Japan. With a balanced, sweet, rich flavor and firm, sticky texture, it's the go-to choice for sushi lovers everywhere. To sum things up, these are the top 5 sushi rice varieties you must try. Koshihikari, Sasanishiki, Akitakomachi, Hitomebore, and Tamanishiki. Each offers a unique flavor and texture, elevating your sushi experience to new heights. Enjoy the new types of sushi rice to try at your next rolling party. For more insights, check out our articles in the description about the 28 types of sushi and 15 types of sushi rice.